A.T. Kearney's an 85-year-old management consulting firm that started here in Chicago. We have 2,700 employees, 52 offices around the world in 36 countries. The unit that I'm with is A.T. Kearney Procurement and Analytic Solutions.
The biggest challenge we have on our consulting engagements is trying to engage their teams, whether it's in the same building and the next floor or across the world, on the project, getting their engagement, getting them to understand where we are, where we're going. And the collaboration tools that we've been leveraging are really fundamental for making sure we keep everybody on the same page.
We started searching for software that would enable the millennial generation and incorporate Web 2.0 technologies, but do it in a safe corporate environment. And so we quickly came to the conclusion that SharePoint offered us the best solution for that. The thing that makes SharePoint so powerful is that almost every Fortune 500 company uses Microsoft Office, and most of them use Microsoft tools in their back-end systems. The ability to bridge the work that people do on the desktop, whether it's in Outlook or Excel or Word or PowerPoint, and tie that directly into a collaboration space is really powerful.
What we saw time and time again was when we left the client environment, it wasn't sticky anymore. To the extent the client had a binder with some of the analytics we'd done or some of the reports we'd generated, they put it on the shelf and they might forget about it. Now that we're using collaboration tools, we have a great way of transitioning that knowledge to the client organization. In fact, they work with us to develop the knowledge. We really leverage these tools to do our own business internally, but what I find incredibly exciting is the clients are demanding that we use them in their environments as well.
SharePoint integrated with Office 2007 suite, that's the home run because everybody has Office and a huge installed base, and you can't go wrong with that integration.
The really great thing for us is it enables us to be much more efficient. If I'm doing the same project from client to client to client, I can warehouse my templates there and go back and find them at the right point in the process when I'm going to use them. It enables me to get the easy stuff done and warehouse it so I can leverage that again and use my thinking and my time to take the work to the next level.
It starts with dashboards at the highest level that report on all the status of all the individual tasks. As we break out each work stream, we collect documents, we share information with wikis, and we assign task contacts and calendar information.
They don't have to wait for our status report at the end of the week. They go into SharePoint and see what's the latest and greatest work stream efforts, what have we done, what are issues. It's dynamic, it's real time, and it's quick for them to access.
There's no basic activity that I'm aware of that you can't animate in SharePoint somehow.
The ability to edit information quickly is very important to A.T. Kearney. There's two concepts within SharePoint, such as the slide library that allows people to edit slides individually, as well as the document workspace, which allows people to edit documents in almost real time.
The benefit for A.T. Kearney of leveraging these collaboration tools is it really enables us to get our people up to speed very quickly.
Because of the nature of our business in consulting, we are geographically dispersed, not only in the West Coast or the East Coast, but also internationally. We can all consistently work on a document in different parts of the world and actually see this in real time.
I'm not successful with my clients unless I'm able to leverage all my colleagues within A.T. Kearney around the world, and SharePoint enables me to do that.
We actually have a commitment as a firm to reducing our carbon footprint, and we track it, and our biggest driver is really travel, right? So, having a way to have a lighter team on site with a supporting constituent team remote, but still working seamlessly, that's the way this is going.
From a development perspective, it definitely makes life easier. These are typically projects that would have taken years to accomplish, where we have now taken the development life cycle down to months and sometimes even weeks.
We're no longer searching around, spending time and energy on the transactional, tactical work, and we can free up our time and resources to really stretch the thinking into the more strategic areas that are going to actually drive tremendous more value for the clients.
Going with SharePoint has been great because our clients really like it. They appreciate that we're not selling them a technology, we're making use of an asset they already own. And it improves our efficiency and helps the bottom line for them. The power of SharePoint is that the current version is excellent, but the next version is really going to take it over the top for enterprise users. It's safe, it's scalable, and it's reliable.
Are you going to find a solution that you can plug and play with and when you have hundreds of clients like we do, almost all of them are plug and play compatible with SharePoint. You got to go with SharePoint. We don't see that changing.